The truth about using log footage for beginners. So one of the main things to consider here when we're talking about using log or log color profile, if that's the proper way to say it, for when you're filming, is do you even want to color grade? Because while yes, you might think, oh, I got to shoot in log because I'm going to get the best dynamic range out of my camera or whatever the perks of using log is, do you want to color grade that log footage, or is it like a pain for you to do that? Like, do you not enjoy color grading, then, or at least not color grading beyond like a couple of tweaks to your footage look? But if you don't want to like color grade, maybe don't use log footage. Again, there's conversion LUTs that kind of make the process easier, because if you use like a whatever log profile you're using to Rec 709, which as far as I understand, Rec 709 is like broadcast color space. Think of that as like your plain looking color space, like plain look, and then from there you could then do your creative stuff to the footage in an additional way. But if you don't want to mess with any color grading, and you don't even want to look into doing anything with LUTs, right, then just maybe don't even consider using log at all right now, if you don't even want to touch the color grading, because otherwise you're just going to be stuck with gray looking footage, and if you don't want to color grade it, it's going to stay that way, and so it will not look very great unless that's what you're going for, which would be a bit strange maybe. But anyway, log, think, color grading, at least to the extent of applying at least one LUT to it. So if you don't want to do that, don't use log. If you're okay with doing that, then yeah, consider using log. If you want to try to maybe take the most advantage of what your camera could do or produce in terms of, highlight preservation or whatever, right? Trying to get as much of the detail between the highlights and the shadows. I think that would be the purpose of using log. I haven't really shot in log because my camera doesn't have it. The closest thing it has on it right now is Cinelike D, which is a bit more of a desaturated color profile, so I've kind of done that. But it's not like a true log or anything, as far as I understand, or as far as I think. But yeah, if you want to get into doing log or log footage, whatever, it might be it's worth looking into and learning if you want to get into kind of more serious video production stuff, because that's probably going to be more often used in like more serious productions and stuff like that. So it's probably worth learning, or it's not even really like super complicated, I don't think. It's just a different color profile, and then you apply a LUT or two, and just keep going, doing whatever you're doing or whatever. But anyway, I'm going to end that there. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, I have a Skool Community, link in description. Feel free to join and ask questions. Thank you very much. Have a good day.